Here's a quick video of the inside of the van. Here's my fuel fill up. This is the diesel for the van. This is the gas for the truck mount. Pretty standard. Got my my 12.9 iPad Pro installed on my dash. I have it, you know, Bluetooth through the speakers of the van. I prefer to listen to iHeartRadio over, you know, the regular stereo. I have a refrigerator. I mean, it'll get below zero. This refrigerator will actually freeze. It's for an RV. Works really good. Keeps my waters cold. I got two large AGM deep cycle batteries underneath here that charge off the alternator of the truck mount, the 870. But anyway, this is the inside of the Mercedes Sprinter. Gonna do a quick tour of my van. Here on the back doors, you know, I keep my pre-spray carpet and tile cleaning, corner guards, bunch of different miscellaneous stuff. My tile tool over there usually goes right here, but I have a couple different brushes. Here's the white brush that I use for upholstery, the stipper brush, yellow for stairs. I use this pressure washing lance here to get the love bugs off and clean my van in between jobs. But here's my electric pressure hose reel, electric garden hose reel. Got 200 feet of garden hose, electric vacuum reel. I have my inline filter permanently hooked up to my waste tank with and I use this to clean it out after jobs. I just take the lid off and wash everything down to the bottom of the filter. Super easy. Let's see here. Stepping inside, I keep my 17.5-inch zipper here. Keep I don't know, a dozen or so drop cloths, the 4-foot by 12-foot drop cloths. 2 vacuum cleaners. They're on charge, they're docked on charge. 2 sealadors, a tall one and a short one, or a standard size and a tall. Got a leaf blower here. You never know when you'll need that, blowing out the van. A couple different backup battery sprayers. CRB, my trays for the CRB. Here's it's a dual tank Kinetico water softener. There's 2 tanks inside here with a salt. The brine tank's all included in this one unit. I got a couple different pre-filters before the water gets to the water softener. Here's my backup upholstery tool. Here's the one I use all the time. I've got here's a battery for my Dyson, battery for this sprayer, Ryobi batteries. 20-gallon acid rinse, 20-gallon acid rinse. I used to use a dry slurry, but which is an alkaline rinse, but I just use an acid rinse now. A couple TV trays for upholstery, more chemical storage, backup hoses, APO. I use these for getting red stains out. Just more storage. That's the 870. It's 870. This is my auto pump out hose. And since this is a diesel Mercedes van, I have a custom made gas tank underneath the van. And there's the fuel gauge for the gas tank. Oh, there's a spotlight up there. I got a floodlight up here and a floodlight going out the back doors. And it's wired to the auxiliary. At nighttime, it's really bright. Lights everything up. Alright, hope you guys like it.